This one. Number tayo, ha? Okay. You write number.
Mami, ako Joey yung numbers.
Dito yung 6. You go. Number. Draw number.
Cover!
Go. Draw number. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. You can do it. Yung pahiga muna, pahiga. Yan. Very good. 6. Okay na yan. Very good ka ngayon,